Hello everyone! Today I will share with you the top 6 interesting facts about Dombra. Let's go! The first fact. In ancient times, Dombra was used during various religious ceremonies. The second fact. In 2010, the instrument was listed in the Guinness Book of Records. This happened after 2,450 musicians in China performed the Kazakh musical piece Guinness. The third fact. In 1989, a rock art depicting a musical instrument and 4 dancing people in different poses was discovered in the Almaty region. This drawing dates back to the Neolithic period. Now it is in the Museum of Folk Instruments named after Eklas Dükkanıoğlu in Almaty. As can be seen from the drawing, the instrument depicted by the ancient artists on the rock is very similar to a dombra in shape. Based on this, we can say that the prototype of the current dombra is more than 4,000 years old and is one of the first plucked instruments, the forerunner of modern musical instruments of this kind. The first fact. There are 2 types of dombra, Eastern and Western. The Western one has a pear-shaped body. Its neck is thin with 14-17 frets, and the head is presented in the form of a scapula. The Eastern one boasts a triangular or shovel-shaped body and a shorter and thicker neck with 7 to 9 frets. The fifth fact. To make an instrument, it is important to select the appropriate tree. It can be pine, oak, or maple. The manufacture of every part of the dombra, and especially the soundboard with a spring that serves as a sound amplifier, requires precision and endurance. Even the most minor errors during the creation of this instrument can lead to whizzing and rattling when playing. The sixth fact. The instrument is popular with its 6,000-year history. Dombra is considered as the most ancient instrument not only among the Turks but also around the world.